Hello guys, what's up? I'm back again for another video. In this video, I will gonna show you how you can code on your mobile device without any application. So if you want to code on your phone but you don't know how, then this is the best video for you. I will properly teach on how to do it. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also you can comment down below if you have a problem that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So the first step to code using your phone is to go to Google or any browser in your device. Then once you've opened your Google, tap the search bar. Then search this. Once you've searched, this website will appear on your screen. Just go and tap it. So this is where you can code, guys. You can choose the programming language you want to use right here. Just tap it. As you can see, guys, there are multiple programming language you can use like Python, Java, PHP, C++, and more. Just select the programming language you want to use. And after that, you can now code using your phone. And by the way guys, if you hate coding on white screen, you can tap this to turn on dark mode. Coding on dark mode is better, isn't it? It's less painful to the eye. So that's how you code using your phone, guys. It's easy, right? Now you can code even without your PC or laptop. So that's all for this video. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have a problem that you want me to make a tutorial about. I will try to fix it. So that's all guys, thanks for watching, goodbye.